Welcome to our portable laundry showdown. Today we're diving into a comparison between two popular options for those living in small spaces or on the go. On one side, we have the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub Washing Machine, known for its efficiency and capacity. On the other, the Swojag Mini Portable Washing Machine, designed for ultimate portability. Let's see how they stack up in terms of capacity, functionality, and convenience. When it comes to capacity, the Super Deal Compact Mini Twin Tub Washer offers a substantial 8 pounds wash capacity, making it suitable for a week's worth of personal laundry. In contrast, the Swojag Mini Portable Washing Machine is designed for smaller loads, with an 11-liter capacity that is ideal for delicates and small items like socks and baby clothes. If you need to wash larger items or more laundry at once, the Twin Tub is the clear winner. The Super Deal model features a twin tub design that allows for simultaneous washing and spinning, significantly reducing laundry time. With a powerful 1300 RPM spin cycle, it effectively removes water, leaving clothes damp but ready to dry quickly. On the other hand, the Swojag Mini Portable Washer uses a pulsator system for washing and has a minimal spin function that primarily assists with drainage. This means that while the Swoj is convenient for small items, it won't provide the same level of washing and drying efficiency as the Twin Tub. In terms of portability, the Swojag Mini Portable Washing Machine shines with its foldable design and lightweight construction, weighing just 3.37 pounds. This makes it perfect for travel, camping, or storing in tight spaces. Conversely, while the Super Deal Compact Twin Tub is compact for a full washer, it weighs 23.5 pounds and requires more space, making it less ideal for on-the-go use. If you're looking for something to easily pack away or carry, the Swojag is the better choice. In conclusion, your choice between these two portable washers should depend on your specific needs. If you prioritize capacity and washing efficiency, the Super Deal Compact Twin Tub Washer is the way to go. However, if portability and ease of storage are your main concerns, the Swojag Mini Portable Washing Machine is an excellent option for quick washes on the go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.